Let's write a program to create a list of squares of all the numbers from 1 to 10. Python provides an elegant way to create a new list by using list comprehensions. This is a generator expression for generating elements using a for loop. Left-hand side is the expression that we want to evaluate for every element of some iterable object. We can use if to filter out some values. Now this will only take the odd numbers. Beware, if we put the if in the beginning, then it will take that as a part of the expression that we want to evaluate for every element. This will square only those numbers which are less than 5. We can use both as well. This will only take all the odd numbers and then square only those numbers which are less than 5. We can apply it on two iterable elements as well. Using the zip function. We can use nested list comprehension to generate a list of lists. First, it will try to create a list for each class. Then it will evaluate this expression, which turns out to be returning another list. If we want to generate a single list instead of a nested one, then we can just remove the inner braces. This will evaluate the expression for every combination of colors and cloths, just like the cross product of sets or cross join in SQL. This video is part of a Python tutorial series. Click here to watch the full video and click here to watch the full course. Thanks for watching. See you next time.